I woke up in Dubai. The sun in Dubai is kissing. The sun is buzzing. It's buzzing on my skin. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is yesterday, and on today's video I am going to Dubai Mall. I'll take you guys with me so you can tag along and shop around with me as I experience this wonderful time of mine in Dubai. I woke up in Dubai. Let's go. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video.
Sometimes someone.
So this is my outfit for today. It's just a mini white skirt with some sandals and bodysuit and my jacket, my tripod for vlogging. See you guys.
Took me by surprise.
Oh my god, the sun is buzzing. It's buzzing on my skin. The sun in Dubai is kissing.
And now my heart beats, it beats for you.
Hey guys, welcome. We are on the road going to Dubai Mall. This is where I'm staying.
You leaving your side, cause you're mine.
That building right there. Let's explore the Dubai Mall together.
Now I'm
the next day.
Hey. This is my outfit. Just normal black heels and a white dress and a coat.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a